So, hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technology Classes. Friends, in this video, now I am going to show you 5 interesting websites so that you can do your work perfectly and timely and you cannot waste your time. Okay, so first and foremost website is here we can see in the screen called as GAMMA.ai. So this is called a Gamma website. So in this website, we can prepare a presentation within a fraction of seconds. So now I will show you the live proof of how to do our presentation and how to and next how to make our notebook. Okay. So first of all, we have to just click on this. So for our convenience, I already clicked on this and we have to sign up for this website. So we will get nearly 400 points when we get the sign up. So this 400 points means we can create 4 PPTs. Okay, now 4 PowerPoint presentation per a month. Okay, so let's get started. So just click on it. The interface will be like this. The interface will be like this, friends. So for our convenience, and I had created a new account also. So yeah. So here you can see some 600 credits. Okay, 600 credits. 600 credits means we can create an 6 PPTs. Okay, from the starting we can do. Just now I will close like this. So this website asks us so many questions like this. So this we are using for a personal use or any office use or an education use. So for this reason I had clicked that. So next here we have another question. So this is for a creator or a designer or opt for a finance or any other reason it is asking. Yeah, let let it be here. Okay, next continue. So here it is asking for how many members that you are using the same website. So just for me in this concept, just for me. So create a, so here, so what do you plan to do with Gamma? Okay. So here we have so many questions like create a presentation from scratch and turn my notes into presentation and and here build a website, create a social media asset, generate images with AI, and not sure about it. Like here, first question we saw here, like can I create presentation from scratch means we can create a PowerPoint presentation, and if we okay, then if we have any notes means we can. So here we can drag and drop that notes also. Second option. So I will choose the first option. Continue. So how did you heard about this Gamma? So just I heard from the YouTube. Okay. Then next, so we have three options here. So so here we can have the paste in text. Means if we have already text, means we can paste here. Like we have a PDF file or I mean Word file, we can paste that here. And generate means we have to type the idea. So here means so here if you have any PDF file means you can upload here. Okay. So here it is showing recommended. Recommended means it is a very good procedure it is showing. Okay. So here is fourth option is there like a remix a template. So we can remix the template also. So and I will show the second option here generate. Okay. So here also so here the limit is 10 cards means 10 slides only it can prepare. Okay now. So, and if you want any 15 cards or 20 slides or 30 slides, we have to take a membership. So here I am. So here I am taking just for your convenience, I am taking 8 slides. Okay. So here I have to type my topic. Like I'm a computer student. Generations of a computer. Generations of a computer with images. Yeah. So this is a topic I want to create my PowerPoint presentation. Or if you have any topic also, you can type here. So just press on the generate and you can select the language of the presentation also. There are so many languages. Okay. So my convenience is this language. So I am typing like this. So just press generate. Okay. So within a fraction of seconds, so here we can see total 8 slides. Side headings are okay, displaying. So how computer generated images from pixel to AI, the building blocks of pixel and binary codes. So here the second. So here the third slide is generation imaginary. So likewise, the all the all 8 slides has been generated within a fraction of seconds. Okay, 8 cards totally. Okay, amount of text per cards means. So we can select an. So how many text should be there? I have selected a minimal, like visual also. We can select the template also. Like for example, I had selected this one. Okay, so images, arts, styles. For example, illustrate images, no, portrait images. You can select this. Okay, now we can click on generate. Okay, so here generate means automatically our PowerPoint presentation will be created within a fraction of second. See friends, okay, so how it is creating lively. Okay, so we can change the text, font, color and design and all the things whenever it is generated, and we can change all these things, and we can edit also, and we can change color also, and I will show it also. Okay, so one thing we have to remember, friends, what means this artificial intelligence created means there will be 99% okay, genuine and 1% it should be mistakes. So we have to check once and twice and thrice for further topic quiz, and it takes just a fraction of seconds and a fraction of minutes to create an PPT. So in the normal way, it takes an 1 hour or 2 hours to create an PPT. Okay, so here it takes just 1 minute to create the PPT. Okay, so now you made it first. Yeah, okay, right. So it is showing some of the important tips to enhance our PPT. Okay, gamma uses cards, continuous, etc. Yeah, right. We can skip also. Let's go. So here we can see like this. So we can add an text also. So we can add an text, and we can add an image, or we can replace this image, and we can add anything like charts also, and some videos also we can import to this PPT. Okay, so for example, if we click here presentation means it will be showing like a presentation, like whenever a PPT completed it will be showing now. So in the same manner it will be showing. We can press escape button also. So we can download also. Yeah, okay, we can download also. We can download this PPT also. Yeah, here is a share, and here is an agent. Na? We can edit themes also. So in the full screen also we can save it. Okay, list view. Yeah, here. So we can download in a the PDF format also, and PPT format also, and there are different formats to download also. Yeah, this gamma is private. Only you can view and edit this gamma. Yeah, right. These things. Yeah, here. So here we have to press an export button. So we can download in the below formats, like in a PDF, and export to the PowerPoint also, and we can uh, we can download in the format of Google Slides and export as an PNG also. Okay, for our convenience, I am downloading a PowerPoint presentation only. So you can see that exporting a PowerPoint presentation, yeah, has been started, and it and yeah, okay. Click here to download it. Your download should be start automatically. Okay, it's already started in my case. Yes, yes, friends, it already completed also. Yeah, we can open and see whether it is good to see or not. Yeah, here we can see like this. It's already editable and all the things. So this is the first website I would like to. Okay, so next coming to the. Okay, so this is the first website I would like to show you, and coming to the second website. Yeah, here in this second website, what is the second website we are going to know? Suno.com, Suno, Suno.com. So here in this website, we can create a songs, and we can create our own music as friends. So now you are listening the good words, like we can create our own music. Okay, so here in this website, I will create my own music. So for example, here, okay, now, so we have to write a prompt here. Um, yeah, create a music. No, both flute. Yeah, there will be some spelling mistakes in my English, so please concern it. Flute and synchronizing. So just I am writing a normal text, so that we can see. Yeah, here. So it is asking a sign up for free to listen. Yeah, we can go for a sign up option. We can go directly. We can go for directly from Gmail account, so that it's easy to sign up, and it's free of cost also, and it's free of cost also, so that we can listen a music, and we can create a music. And one beautiful thing, here, what we can say, that we can create a music, and we can sell it in some audio, okay, the mobile apps also. Okay, like gamma.com, or else some mobile apps is there. There we can sell also. Okay, got it. Generated randomly. Yeah, song description, right? Yeah. Uh, create a music root, synchronizing, synchronizing with synchronizing with. Yeah, this is okay. So just press on the create button so that it is showing some randomly. It is showing some music also. So upgrade to full song means we have to take a membership, or, or if you want to listen means we can listen. Yeah, so we can listen this song also. Okay, so I think you can also listen this song. So here, see, so we can download this also. So this is a fantastic music done by my own. Okay, then I can download this music file and I can upload this music file to so many apps like audio.com or some other apps you can see. Okay, so that we can gain money from that apps. Okay. So thanks for watching my video, and in the next video, and I would like to show and some more websites which you can earn money and save your money and save your time also. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my video and channel. Okay, thank you.